Hi viewers, welcome to the Bakasura. Today we are making a very traditional South Indian rice recipe, sesame rice or Ellu. For seasoning, I'm taking a teaspoon of oil, 6 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Here I'm taking the white ones, you can use the black ones as well. Roast it for about a minute. About 3 tablespoons of roasted groundnuts, 2 Byarki chilies for the wonderful color and 1 Guntur chili for the heat, a pinch of hing, roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame, about 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, roast it for another 2 minutes and grind it into a coarse mixture. To make the rice, I'm taking a teaspoon of oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal, chana dal, few curry leaves. Roast it for about a minute. About 3 cups of boiled rice. Add in the previously ground mixture. Finally, season with salt to taste and half a teaspoon of sugar. The rice is ready now. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.